Visualization is the process of creating a mental image of something. It is a powerful tool that can help you to manifest your desires into reality. To use visualization for manifestation, you need to have a clear idea of what you want to achieve. Take some time to think about your goals and dreams. Visualize them as if they have already happened. See yourself living the life you desire, feel the emotions associated with it, and let yourself believe that it is already yours. The more detailed your visualization, the more effective it will be. Imagine yourself in the perfect situation, surrounded by the people you love, exactly where you want to be. During the day, continue to visualize your goals. Use affirmations and visualization to help you stay focused on what you want. Remember that your thoughts create your reality, so focus on what you want, not what you don't want. Visualization can be done anywhere, but the best time to do it is when you are relaxed, such as just before going to sleep. Visualize the life you want and start taking action towards making it a reality. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.